So hello, so today we're going to make the basil chicken steak pasta imitating the plant cell. So first, to start, we will talk about the safety rules.
Of course, very important that you know the kitchen safety rules first.
So
Let's go through the rules together.
So first, we listen to your teacher. Second, we wear safe clothes, tie hairs, closed shoes, apron. And then third, we can wash your hands before and after cooking. And fourth, we can be careful with tools, ask for help if needed. Fifth, stay away from hot things, use mitts for hot pans. And then we can don't eat without asking. And clean up spills and messes. Throw trashes in the right place. And tell a teacher if something spills or breaks. And lastly, no running or playing. Be kind and careful.
Alright, Jihu, do you promise to follow all these rules?
Yeah, I promise to follow.
You can write down the date and the name.
Okay. Yeah.
Alright, well done. Now let's start cooking then.
Also, now we're going to dye the pasta. So the first, we will do the purple color. So we will put only two or three drops in the water. So yeah, and then
Alright, what's next?
and then the next color I will use the green color.
Do you need help?
Yeah. Can you put the orange and the red?
Alright, I'm gonna open the red.
And then I will drop the orange color. And then lastly, I will use the blue color.
Alright, let's mix the dye with water well
Yeah,
before we put the pasta.
yeah. So
We can use any spoon or any pen.
we will mix this.
Perfect.
Yeah, now it's the purple, and then the green, and then orange. And then blue.
And lastly red.
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright.
So now we are going to put the pastas in and wait until it colors. So first you will use this pasta. So this is the goji.
Apparatus.
Yeah. So you put like in the purple dye.
Well, maybe not many. We don't have as many goji apparatus, right?
Yeah. So you can put. Do you know the function of the goji apparatus?
Apparatus.
Yeah, apparatus.
Yes, you can call it Golgi buddy
Yeah.
or Golgi apparatus, the
Yeah.
same thing. So it packs and ships the protein throughout the cell.
Oh, okay. So now we're going to put the
Mitochondria.
yeah. Into the red. Yeah. So the function of mitochondria is the power cell of the plant cell.
Good job, it is.
And then I'll put the cell wall in green.
You could take the plastic.
function of the cell wall is to like keep the plant cell structured, and then it protects the plant cell.
Exactly. And that's something that we all only have on the plant cells, right?
Yeah.
Not in animal cells.
And then we will. This is the. Wait, what is this?
What do you want it to represent?
So, the endoplasmic reticulum.
ER, yes.
Yeah. I'll put this in green and orange. Yeah. And then, yeah, I think we are done.
So, are you sure? We
Yeah.
have one more type of pasta.
But we don't have to like this.
Yeah, let's diet. What do you want it to represent
So
in
this
your
will,
cell?
so this will represent the mitochondria.
No, we have mitochondria.
Actually, that was nucleus.
Nucleus. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, no problem.
So this will be representing the mitochondria.
So we can use one type of pasta and represent two cells, two type of organelles. For example, it can be cell wall as well as a chloroplast,
Yeah.
which is used to make food in a plant cell.
Yeah. I'll wait for this to die. Yeah. So now I'm going to cut the tomatoes and then I'll fry them. Representing the mitochondria, which is the powerhouse of the plant cell.
And this orange cell is representing ER, rough and smooth ER, which are responsible for making protein and fats.
So now I'm going to cut the tomato and then cook the vegetables. Yeah.
That's nice.
So now we will cook the vegetables.
On the pot.
Yeah.
So let's turn this on first. Add some oil.
So I'll put some oil. Then first I can put some broccoli.
And cauliflower, right? Whoa. Let's turn it down a little. So both vegetables are good for your brain function, and they're also an excellent source of vitamins and minerals that you need. Do you like the taste of cauliflower and broccoli?
Oh yeah, I like those.
An extraordinary kid. Usually kids don't like them.
So now we're going to fry the carrots.
Let's get the tomatoes out. We don't have to fry them. It's alright.
Put the nucleus over here. Over here. And then I'll put the mitochondria.
How about I hold this so it's more comfortable?
And then I'll put the ER. And then I'll put the cell wall. And lastly, the
Golgi body.
body.
Be careful.
And then this is the pasta. So now we can boil it.